I want to thank everybody for watching Crypto Revolution. We talk about everything crypto daily. Jumping right into the market today in crypto. Bitcoin starting to roll over. Let's see. Bitcoin daily candle just closed. Right now, we talked about this key level back here where Bitcoin price action came down and retested it. So here it was the floor. Now it's the ceiling. The Bitcoin bulls have to flip and hold this level to test 40,000. If not, again, you could see 34,000 in the cards. And we're going to talk about that in just a second. If the bulls do run to the upper trend line, again, this is still a strong downtrend, and I want to see a breakout with volume. Otherwise, I mean, it doesn't seem crazy to see Bitcoin test 30,000 at some point. If you go down here on the RSI, we've been waiting for the Bitcoin price action to break this level. And when it happens, we're going to buy into strength. We're going to make a ton of money on longs. But will this roll over and you get another low on the RSI, you want to see some bullish divergence play out on the higher term timeframes for major reversal ideas. But right now, Bitcoin bulls need to show up. So this is a Bitcoin 1 hour chart. So earlier in group, I posted this idea where essentially this could be a double top. You got this rising broadening wedge. So if the bulls can't break above this level, 38,300, right, double top, and then you could see a move to this lower trend line, 37,116. If that breaks, 35,643, 34,718. So the bulls have to show up here to prevent further downside. Breaking Bitcoin update. No, I was just posting all these short setups. We shorted Link, we shorted Ethereum in group. Banging. This thing is bottom fell out. So we hit the measured move first target. If this breaks lower, essentially if you get this bearish retest, if this level doesn't hold and you get a move higher, essentially Bitcoin downside, like we were just talking about. Breaking update. Who knew? We're killing it on these shorts, guys. It's crazy. It's insane. I've got some amazing shout outs to give in my trading group. We've been shorting this market and we've been killing it. This person pulled 200% gains, banging on these. So we've been trading these 3x short tokens on Kucoin. It's been amazing. Just like a lot of people moved from Binance to Kucoin and we had to make a big adjustment. Now we've been shorting the market with these 3x. Make a Kucoin account. The VIP link is in the description. Practice with small amounts trading. But this person hit 200% gains out of a link short. This person is trading on Binance with shorts, 40% gains, 100% gains on this Bitcoin short. This person joined the group, turned $4,700 into $174,000. This person turned $10,000 into $60,000. The most important thing is you have to adjust to what the market is giving us. So if the Bitcoin bulls can't show up and you see downside continuation, there's shorting opportunities. Now, if you're not making a ton of money right now in this market, I can help you. I'll make sure you're in the best, most profitable trading setups. Right now, for a limited time, there's a New Year's special. You get $100 off and 60% off the regular prices. Remember, you go over to the website, cryptorev.net. It pays for itself. It's a no-brainer, cryptorev.net. If you go down into the description of this video, there's a link take you directly to this website. Remember, if you have any questions, email me, cryptobitcoinchris@gmail.com. One of the main ideas I talked about today in the screen share was at some point, Bitcoin's going to break out of this downtrend, right? We're going to buy into strength. But I was talking previously about, hey, we're going to start shorting on this next. If this next high is lower than this previous high, then the next low is going to be lower than where we're at now. Okay, so unless Bitcoin can break all-time highs in this next run-up, right, you're looking for extensive downside out of Bitcoin. But it's going to be great trading for longs, and then we're going to short from the top down and make it. It's going to be altcoin season all over again. You have to adjust to what the market is giving you, and that's what we're good at doing, right? We've done it on this channel. We nailed the DeFi season. We nailed metaverse season. We were buying sand and mana before people are even talking about it, right? Then we moved the Kucoin gem picks and they were banging. We moved over to the Kucoin. You got to find the money flow in this market, and we're good at it. The hopium for the bulls is the SPX and the stock market's open green, and you get some type of bounce here. Okay, but if not, again, This could be like a little head and shoulders and a downside move out of Bitcoin. Bitcoin dominance. We talk about this time and time again, and I do so for a reason. When you get major reversals, this W pattern, double bottom, when you get W patterns, these altcoins, when this trends higher, altcoins continue to get devastated. What you want to see is this is a rising wedge. At some point, you'll get some altcoin relief when this breaks lower. So when this breaks lower, potentially means money flow is pouring into altcoins more than Bitcoin. So at that point, we're going to buy into the altcoins and trade long on altcoins. But until this happens, we're waiting for the Bitcoin bulls to show up. SPX, so this is a hopium right now for the Bitcoin bulls. The SPX is the S&P 500 index. Right now, it's at overhead resistance. The market's closed. It opens in the morning. I'm looking for a Bitcoin move over the next 24 hours. Clearly, we've had a Bitcoin move. Now, I'm driving down 95, posting on this 14-inch laptop, Bitcoin 1 hour rising broadening wedge. Bulls don't want to see this Bitcoin get rejected. Move to the lower trend line, check it off, and then there's a 68% chance it breaks down and you see 34,000. So at this point, the bulls need to make this a bear trap and come back in here and get a bullish retest and then completely trap the bears in order for some upside. So again, decision time again. Will you see downside continuation, or will the bulls save the day and then the bears get trapped and drag the other direction? But it's pretty amazing how successful we've been trading in this market. And this is kind of just playing out right as I got home later in the day, and that's why I didn't have videos recorded, because I took a break, went out of town, so that was pretty amazing. Make sure take a break from this market. There's definitely other things that you need to pay attention to in life, your family. I'm just not good at balance. I'm 110% full speed ahead, banging all the time. So it takes practice for me to unwind. This is the first time I've been out of town in 4 years. How is this going to open, Chris? I mean, this could be some type of double bottom or ascending triangle. Do you get one more drive down and then a break higher? Or if this breaks lower, you're looking for downside out of Bitcoin. Now, how do we front run this idea? We go over to go to CNN Money and just search this on Google, and you can see pre-market right now. S&P is basically flat. It's in the red slightly. Okay, so if this opens red, then essentially bad for Bitcoin. So if you go to pre-market, you can go to Japan's open right now, and they're down a little bit less than 1%, right? But if global markets are down, there's a higher probability, I think you see red in the US stock market. And so we'll use these overnight to basically have an edge against the rest of the market. We've had to incorporate stocks, SPX, Bitcoin into a lot of these ideas, and now shorting, which seems complicated, but it's not. Like, we've found a way to simplify all these ideas because we have an amazing group of traders. We have to learn one idea at a time and build on it. When your kids start walking and they're young, right? They don't start running sprint. They're not running marathons, right? They have to put steps together, obviously, as they grow older and they develop. So you have to develop the skill set over time. But once you do so, life-changing money. We're competing against everybody else. We're trying to take their money. That's all this is. It's a game. It's a game. If you guys like the content that I provide on a daily basis, be sure to subscribe to the channel, like the video, leave a comment in the comment box. Thanks so much. I'll see you guys tomorrow.